Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So for all those who do not know me, this is Mansi Ludhwani. I create videos on fashion in order to help women out there who are in the process of building their capsule wardrobe. So I am back again with a brand new video in which I am going to share some office outfit ideas that is going to transition from day to night. So let's not waste a single second and let's quickly dive into today's video. For the first outfit, I went with a very obvious color combination, that is black and white. I chose this black trousers, which is something suitable for both day and night looks. Further, pairing it up with a white blouse, which will act as a base for this outfit. Layering it up with a black blazer, keeping in mind the kind of professionalism expected. Accessorizing it with golden hoops, golden ring, a golden watch, white pump shoes and a white tote bag. Day look is here. Simple yet classy and elegant. Let's turn this look into night look now. Removing the blazer and replacing the top with a statement grey top which has got a very beautiful detailing on the shoulder. Further, have kept jewelries very minimal as I do not want to overwhelm the look because the top in itself is a statement piece. Adding silver studs, silver ring, silver bracelet and a silver clutch, completing the look with the statement heels and a shoulder bag. Here's the night look, a classic outfit, elegant and will surely turn head in public. For second look, I wanted to go with tonal dressing theme, that is, choosing a color and curating outfit around it. Firstly, I chose this high-waisted beige colored trousers and paired it up with a brown tank top. Further layered it up with a chocolate brown blazer. For jewelries, I have kept it very minimal. Golden hoops, golden ring, golden watch and a golden stack. Lastly, adding beige pump shoes and a beige tote bag. Here's the second look. Simple yet stylish. Now for the night look, I replaced the brown tank top with a cowl neck top which in itself gives a royal vibe. Accessorizing it with golden statement earring, golden ring, a golden clutch, statement footwear and a shoulder bag. Here's the second night look of the video. This one looks so expensive and of course you are going to get compliments for sure. Moving on to the third look. Firstly, I chose a black midi skirt and paired it up with a black tank top. Further, added this striped vest coat to keep the things interesting and not look monotonous. Then added golden hoops, golden ring, golden watch, beige pump shoes and a beige tote bag. Here's the third look, favorite one from today's video. This one is a very unique look, looks very elegant and chic. For the night look, I did not swap any of the pieces as this one is a wholesome outfit apt for various occasions and even makes you look expensive. Swap the accessories with this statement golden earring, golden ring, golden clutch, statement footwear and a shoulder bag. Here's the third look, modish and of course breathtaking. Coming back to the fourth day look, I chose this midi printed dress which is a short dress and has also got puffed sleeves. Layering it up with a black blazer to add that professional touch to the outfit. Further, adding golden hoops, golden ring, golden stack and a golden watch. Lastly, adding beige pump shoes and a beige tote bag to complete the look. Here's the final look. This one is a classy one. Looks so professional and also you don't have to even compromise on being stylish. on to the last night look of the video, removing the blazer and adding a black slim belt with golden hardware, accessorizing it further with golden statement earrings, golden clutch, golden statement footwear and a shoulder bag to tie everything together. Here's the final look, a must try look as this one is also very comfortable for all day long and hectic schedules and also makes you stand out in the crowd. So that was all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, you take care of yourself. Bye bye.